Welcome to the next lecture of Linux administration of unit second. Now we'll start the unit second. So second unit we will start from the basic commands of Linux general commands. So first of all we have to discuss about the file commands, file listing commands. So as you can view, this ls is used for list all the files in the current working directory. And you can view this Linux is an operating system. It is similar to the Unix OS as we have discussed. Basic Linux command first is ls. So this command is used to list all the files in the current working directory. So whenever you will write the command ls on the command prompt, it will show all the files with some descriptions. And you can also view the ls-a for all the files. Second command is basic command, that is rm. So this command is used to remove the file from the directory. And remove the file from the directory. And you can use this command like that. $prompt rm then file name. Which file name you want to remove? You can write this way on the command prompt. $rm file name. So you can delete this command, any file from the current working directory. Next one is rmdir. That means remove directory. You can view, but it should not contain any file. Then only we can remove the directory. So command is used, remove directory, but it should not contain any file. maybe उसके अंदर आपकी फाइल नहीं होनी चाहिए. Then only you can remove the directory. Otherwise, you remove the files, then you can only remove the directory. So you can use this command, this rmdir, and then directory name. Which directory you want to remove. Specify the name. Directly you can delete the particular directory. Okay. Next basic command is cat. So this command is used to display the content of the file. Okay. There are 2 or 3 uses of this cat command is there. So we will discuss this for content display. We can also use for writing content in the file. We can also use. Okay, so this, for example, you can view this on the command prompt cat, this file name that is used to write the content into the file. So whatever content you will write, you can display the content of the file. Okay. Next, this is cat file used to display the content of the file. The same thing repeated again. No difference is there. Both I already told that two main uses of this particular command. By this file name, you can by this symbol you can write the content in the file, and simply you write this cat file, then you can display the content in the file. Okay. Next is cd command. So as the name cd, that is change current working directory, change current working directory. So by this command, you can change the current working directory. Simply you can write the on the $prompt or command prompt cd, change the directory. You can also specify the name of the directory, or you can also use this double dot to go on the upper level of the hierarchy by the double dot. You can directly change the name of the directory by the name. You can specify here cd by the name you can change. Next is mv. This command is also called rename command. It is used to move the content from the source file to the destination file. Rename command भी बोलते हैं. and by the mv command as like move. So we will convert, we will transfer the content from a source file to destination file by this mv command. As you can view the example, this the command dollar prompt, command prompt mv, this is the prompt symbol, this dollar, and this mv is used for the command. This is the source file and this is the destination file. So by specifying the source file and specifying the destination file, we can content copy from or move content from source files to destination file. Okay, whatever content in the source file, that all will be transferred, move from file to this file. Next is who. So this command is used to display the users who are currently logged on. Okay, at the time on that particular system or server, how many users are connected. So you can also view with this who command that on the command prompt, just specify who, write who command, and you can view all the users information. Who am I? If you want to know about yourself, then you can use this command. Who am I? So this command is used to display the information about the user. Who am I? Okay. Next is dir. So this command is used to create a new directory. This command is used to create a new directory. So if you want to create a new directory, simply you can use this mkdir and specify the name of the directory. Which name you want to create? Suppose we want to write this mkdir Ravi. You can simply write this mkdir Ravi. Ravi by the name of Ravi, by the name Ravi, one directory is created at location. The CP. So one command we have seen this MV for the content transfer or move from source file to destination file. If you want to copy the content one file to another file, then we can use the CP command. So we will prompt CP source file to destination file. Whatever content you want to copy from one file to another file, you can write this command CP source file to destination file. All the content of the one file to another file. Get it? Next is wall. That means if you want to send a message on every user's wall, then you can use this command. This, so you can view this. This command is used to send message to every user who are currently logged in. Suppose you want to send the time opening of the office time, and you want to write good morning. So you can write dollar wall and good morning to all. So this message will flash on everyone's user's screen who are currently logged. Okay. So any common message you want to send at any time, you can use this command. Next is BC. So if any time you need a calculator, so you can use this command. BC command is used for calculator. So simply you can use all the command we will use at the command prompt. Next is grep command. So you can view this command is used search a word or character or a sentence in a file. You want to search a word, you want to search a character or a sentence in a file. You can use this particular command in grep. You can use word in which file name you want to search. You have to specify here. Then you can search that particular word or character or sentence in a file. Okay. So just use these commands on your Linux and try this. Next is WC. By this command, you can use a number of character in a file. As you can see in the MS Word, below status bar, it shows only number of pages, number of characters, number of words. Same way, by this command, you want to print some in a file. So you can use this command, this WC, that is word count. Okay, character count. This WC to count the number of character in a file. So you can use WC option file name. And next command, that is PWD. If you want to know where on which directory we are working, so you can view this command is used to display current working पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्टरी में हम काम कर रहे हैं, किस पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्टरी में हमारी फाइल्स वगैरह ओपन है, हम काम कर रहे हैं. You want, you can view by this pwd command, this is present working directory. Okay, next is man. So command is used to show the information about any command, that is like help. Help is another command, but by this command you can also view man, show the information about any command. So it will show write man, then you can write any command like ls, pwd, whatever command you can write, you will get the information about that. Next is more. So shows the contents of text file. This command shows the contents of the text file. Also, you might be able to find less. Also, you might be able to find less and cat, which are similar commands. For showing the contents of text file. Okay. Next is command. And by this command, by this way, you can also help about any command. So this command shows the every option given command. We can write just commands, then dash dash, then help. So by this option, you can also knowing the information about a particular command. We show the every option for the. So you can try. Next is basic command, that is ch mode. Ch mode means change mode. That means file have some modes like read, write, read, write, read, write, and uh, read, write, and access. So by this way, you can also use this ch mode. You can change the permission of any file. Next is clear command. So this command is used to clear the terminals. Example, clear. If you want to clear the terminal, then you can use this clear command. Like CLS in other language, C, in the C language you use CLS command. Same way you can use this clear command to clear the terminal, that means command prompt. Whenever you saw that all the desktop is filled by these commands and their informations, so you want to clear, then you can use this command to clear the terminal. Next is W. This command is used to print the current system users. Okay, this command is used to print the current system users. जो भी current system users हैं, उसको हम print कर सकते हैं by this command W. Okay. simple way you can write in the command prompt W, then you can print the current system users. Next is telnet, and this is communication. This command is also comes in the communication related to protocols in Linux. So telnet will you know about the next PPTs in the communication oriented commands telnet. Telnet allows you to log in remotely from remote computer to host. That means from one system to another system, you can communicate the remote location. Suppose we are sitting here and we want to communicate in the another location, another office, another location, another city. You can directly communicate by this telnet command. So here and in more detail, we can discuss the communication-oriented command in Linux. Next is touch command. So this command is used to create file. File is by default text. Okay. So if you want to create a file and a file is by default text, you can create by the touch command. Okay. You can also create the file by the cat command. You can also write the content in the file name by the cat command. You can also view the content of the file by the. So these are some ways. By this way, by default text file you can create. Next is VI editor. This command are used to create the file and edit any existing file by the VI command. So this we will discuss in the unit 5th in detail whenever we will create the files in Linux. This is editor where we can create the file and edit any existing file by the VI command. VI then next is date command. This command are used to display the system date and time. Okay, simple. You can write date and display the system date and time. Next is cal. Okay, for the calendar, this command are used to display the system calendar. Okay, if you want to display the calendar, system calendar, then you can use this cal. Next is if config. So this command are used to display the system IP address. If you want to know or display the system IP address, then you can use this if config command. Then host name. So this command are display the host name. You can view the host name by this host name command. Okay. So these are some general commands. Basically, these are used by the by every user at the beginning of the. So these are some basic commands. By these commands, you can do so many works like create files, display files, make directory, remove directory, basic things. All move content, remove directory, move content, copy content. Uh, Want to view the dates, calendar. These are some general commands. And next, in the next lecture, we will discuss about the details, some process-oriented commands, communication-oriented commands, these different things. Okay. And thank you so much.